Welcome to Ziro. On this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Ziro rover using the glove. First of all, to turn on your glove, you just need to click once on the glove button. By shaking the glove up and down, you can change the modes of the glove between stop mode and run mode, indicated by the red LED or green LED, respectively. Now, to connect the rover to your glove, all you need to do is click once on the button of any of the 4 modules. A white light is going to blink in the module, indicating that it's connecting to the glove. Now we shake the glove up and down one more time to put it in run mode, and we can start controlling the rover. You can move the rover forward or backward by pitching your hand down or up. And you can spin the rover left or right by rolling your hand to the left or to the right. To stop controlling your rover, just shake your hand up and down one more time to put the glove in stop mode.